Hi everybody, welcome back to Happy Hackers. We are going to do a DIY project for Easter. It's going to be a really cute little project. We're going to make some little eggs and this is what it's going to look like. This is one we're going to try. We always take videos that somebody else did to see if they're actually as easy as they look, because sometimes they make them look so easy. Then we go to try them and some of them haven't been great, but here's what we're going to try this time. So let's just go through what we need, and what you need for this one's very simple. You need some really colorful strings. We've got Easter colors, glue, just regular white glue. We're gonna pour that in the tray, and some balloons so you can blow them up whatever size you want the eggs to be. And then we also have little branches to hang the little eggs on, and a bucket with something to stick the branch in. And it looks like we've got little clips here too that we might try to use, or we'll hang it with the different strings. And some chocolate.
You always have to have Easter chocolate.
Always have to have Easter chocolate. And that's all we need.
Yeah.
So we gotta start with blowing up some balloons.
Okay.
Unravel it all. I hope these strings not too thin. I think it will be.
No.
I think it's okay. This is gonna be really gooey.
It's gonna get messy.
It's gonna get messy. Okay, you're just running it through this, just like this. Making this string all gooey.
Look at the scissors.
They're right beside me.
That's fun.
It's gonna take a while, isn't it?
Then it's too flexible.
So I'm just placing it on the balloon, and I'm gonna are you just guys wrapping just random everywhere?
Yeah, just let the balloon do its work.
Let the balloon do its work. So I just put what I think is my last one on here. So let me bring that around to show you it. Hold on. I'm not sure if it's going to be right or not. I just did one round of string, fairly spacious in between to put the chocolates in. Jackie and Steph are working hard behind me at doing a second round of string. So theirs will have more on it so we can see the difference. I just want to see if it's better with more or less, but that's that one. I'm gonna try some of the little ones. So we blew up a bunch of little balloons. We didn't blow them up very far. They kind of look like that. They got all raveled last time. I'm just gonna keep it in its little package. I'm just gonna take a little bit of string out at a time and see if that works better. And then it's just like one little piece rather than sticking the whole thing in. We're gonna make these ones much tighter. Here's what the little one looks like. It's just a tiny little one, but I'm gonna wrap it a little bit more than that, and then we're just gonna keep at it. Steph's got one too. Do you wanna show yours up close? We're still drying. It takes a long time. You guys can't see me. Let me just move this. So we're gonna blow dry them. So Stephanie's been blow drying some of them. So as soon as those are ready, we're gonna come back and we're gonna first do the three big ones because those are the most dry ones. So let me grab those and we'll be right back. Okay, so let's just pop it. Oh, there we go. Okay, so mine's popped. Take me a while to. Oh, yours.
It's a hack! It's a hack!
Oh, whoops. That's not working for us, guys.
It's a hack, they lie.
It doesn't work. Okay, so maybe too much glue on the balloon?
No, I think it just doesn't work. No, I think it just doesn't dry. Let's just take the balloon out and reform them.
Let's just get the balloon out of here.
Okay, there's my egg.
You go on. There we go. I have one. It looks like a beehive. It looks like a wasp's nest.
I got an egg.
This is okay.
Yeah, look it.
Okay. That didn't work.
It's a hack.
It didn't work.
I think.
Please help us. Tell us what we did wrong. If we chose your video, please let us know what we did wrong. because I'm going to show you this. There.
Well, this is double, so I think it's interesting.
There.
From a distance, doesn't it look like something?
No, yours is, those two both look good.
We see Stephanie's. There's Stephanie's. So she kind of just threw it on. Maybe, maybe don't. No, you left all your little knots in it. So maybe not that. Here's our little basket, and we thought we would just not put that one in, but let's
Put these in here?
yeah, we're going to drop some
Yeah.
chocolates in there. It's baskets.
I think
Great.
it's pretty good. Ta-da!
Or not. Okay, so let's see what our tree looks like. Our tree even looks cute even without the eggs on it, so adding the eggs is just gonna be a bonus. So we'll just put this one aside and let's bring our tree back out. It'll be like that, but after the balloons are popped, we're gonna hope that the
We'll let them dry on the tree.
we'll let them dry right there. Perfect spot on the tree. And that's what the two of them look like. Good luck. Please make sure you subscribe and follow us for more. We've done lots of different DIYs and some of them work really well and some not so well. But if you know how we can do this better, we would love your input. So leave us a comment, and just want to wish you a very happy Easter from the Happy Hackers.